This time we are reviewing our favorite resort in Igatpuri. It's called Manas Resort and Petting Zoo. It's on the Nasik highway. As you can see, the roads are great to get there. The place is huge and it's beautiful. We had traveled there with our family, so we had booked the suites. The rooms are big and as you can see, they're perfect for wrestling. Cleo and Diana had a mental time playing in these suites. The suites basically have a living area. Then there's a small staircase which leads to the bathroom and the bedroom. It's spacious and very comfortable. Great for the girls to run around and play. And some more running. Leading out from the bedroom, there's a small garden outside which is a great place for the girls to chill and sunbathe. Now we come to the super fun outdoor part of this place and why it's called a petting zoo. Basically they have loads of birds over here which they've collected, some really beautiful birds which you as well as your babies can interact with. Of course a lot depends on the temperament of your babies as well. Our two are, as you can see, very curious and really wanted to see what was in there. They've collected lots of beautiful birds like African greys, macaws, parakeets, pheasants. They have a very experienced bird trainer who's been working with these birds and made them very open to human interaction. Across the property they have geese, ducks, rabbits, even chameleons, actually these miniature lizards that look like mini iguanas. And given rabbits, as you can see, and given that it's best that you keep your babies on a leash, at least that's what we thought, for the safety of everyone. They even have chicken and turkeys. They have these large aviaries where you can actually step into them and interact with the birds. As you can see, the girls' grandparents had a brilliant time. They went in and basically the bird keeper gives you these little bird feed to hold in your hand and all the birds just fly down and sit on you and eat out of your hand. For people who enjoy that kind of thing, it's all pretty exciting. Also, as you can see, one of our fathers was not too happy because this bird insisted on thinking that his head was a nest. So they have no trails here as such, but the resort is very big. Dogs are allowed everywhere, so there's enough place to walk and exercise your babies. So they have these little mini patches of grass, they have these stone pathways, they'll have a lot of places where you can go, staircases which lead to different rooms, etc., and you can just walk with your babies anywhere you like. They also have these two massive parks where you can really, your babies can run and you can have a good time. One of this is completely gated, so if your babies enjoy off-leash time, there is an option for that as well. They also have a whole bunch of their own dogs, lots and lots of breeds. They are of course always kept in their own designated area, but they are available for interaction for you as well as your babies. In fact, they have something kind of like a rent a dog kind of thing for people who don't have dogs of their own and the kids really want to have them in their room. They can actually keep them for an entire day or a couple of days or through the entire length of their stay, where they can keep them, care for them, feed them, walk them, all of that. They also have a super pet friendly restaurant. We could take our babies there. They serve a huge spread of food, buffet style. They provide you food for your babies depending on whatever your requirements are, and you can just sit there with your babies, eat while they eat as well. So as you can see, Manas is a great experience for both you and your babies. Do give it a visit if you want to experience this unique kind of a stay. Stay tuned for lots more videos of places we've visited with our babies. Please subscribe to our channel as well as give us a follow on Instagram.